Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to a new earning method. Just go to your Google and search here PI. Okay, guys. Here is about PI. PI coin. Commercial last one coin. Okay, guys. One PI coin is equal to 2.36 Pakistan rupees, and 2 PI coin are 4. And similarly, it's gaining its worth by passing time. How much Pakistan rupee one have 5 for exchange rate? Okay, guys. This is app PI. Okay, guys. I will show you about this earning platform. It is it is like the earning. It's similar to the cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. You just have to download the PI in your mobile phone through your Google Play Store, and you just have to make an account on this. Okay, guys, this is the app in which I'm going to show you that how it works. Okay, just wait for a while. It's taking time due to okay, it's opening. Okay, see here, this is the account. You have to just make your account simply, and okay, mine your pies. Okay, here it shows that 96.15 pies are available in my account. I can withdraw them and use them. Okay, guys, here is all about this app. Total mining rate 0.073, and it's works after 24 hours when you mine firstly. The second mining will be available after 24 hours. Okay, guys, this is all about the earning app. Hi, you will really enjoy it. Okay, here is the all method procedures. Hope you will really enjoy this.